So for this assignment, I'm going to be changing an occupied bed. Here's Mr. Albert. I'm sorry, I'm in a bunk bed, so it's going to look weird. I would raise the bed normally, make sure that the bed is locked. If there's a bed alarm on them, you would want to take it off and the side rails up so that the alarm doesn't go off while you're moving back and forth. So the things I need are a linen bag, gloves, and new linens. I would bring my PCT. It makes it easier, even if they're light. Sometimes they're can move more, but they're just non-weight bearing, so they could do more. But it is sometimes easier just to have two because this is a great time to clean the patient a little bit, bird bath them while you're changing the sheets. Just get them a little freshen up. So the first thing I would do. Hi, Mr. Albert. My name is Kate. I'm your nurse today. We're just going to change your sheets, okay? So I'm going to raise the bed, sanitize my hands, pull the curtains. I'm going to put my gloves on because you never know if there are soiled linens. So what I would do is make sure that we're still covering the patient, but I'm going to take off the big blanket and just leave the linen sheet around them to just keep them, make sure that they have privacy. So I would lower the bed to make it easier. If they're a COPD patient, you wouldn't lower the bed all the way because they probably wouldn't be able to tolerate it. The first thing I would do is take off the fitted sheet and roll it, just because it's going to be easier. You don't want the soil to touch the clean, so I roll it, and you don't want the patient to touch the mattress. So I have the fitted sheet. You never want to throw out the sides. You just want to lay it on the bed, and then you're going to put it so that they are not touching, but they're next to each other. And then you're going to have the patient roll on, since pretend like this is a pediatric patient, but you'd have them on their side. There would be another person there, and we're going to roll as much over as we can. Then we're going to tell the patient that we are going to be moving the bed or moving you over to the other side. There might be a little bit of a lump. We want to make sure you're still covered, so we're going to be doing that. We would pull the rest of the dirty sheets down, not letting it touch your body, keeping the patient covered. And then okay. So they were covered that entire time, making sure that the sheets are nice and tight and there's no wrinkles. I'm then going to change out the sheets and change out the gown. And put that on the ground. You doing okay, Albert? Okay. And then do you want another blanket, or is this okay for now? Okay, well, I'll put a blanket at the end of your bed just so that you have it. And then we would also, I'm going to change your pillowcase really quickly, okay? Just for a second. And then I would put the pillowcase on. Don't let it touch my body. Okay, here you go, Mr. Albert. Alright, I'd lower the bed, put the bed alarm back on, put all the linens in the dirty utility room, and here's your call light and your water. Do you need anything in the meantime? No? Okay. I take off my gloves, sanitize my hands, make sure that the bed is still locked and lowered, and document what I did.